How to change language on Netflix on TV. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change our language on Netflix TV. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, in your smart TV, you can just go ahead and open up Netflix. And once you open it up, you'll be finding all of the available shows right here on your home screen. So the next thing is go to the left side. And when you go to the left side, you'll be finding this. So go to your profile at the top. And once you open up your profile, you'll be taken to the section where you can switch up your account. So go to the account in which you want to switch the language to change the language to. You can just go ahead and open up that account. Click on it. And when you try to click on it, you'll be finding a pen icon right beside that particular account. Go ahead and select it. Select the pen. And once you select it, you'll be finding these options available. So go ahead and locate the option called third one, which is language. After selected, you will be finding a bunch of options available, different language options available. You can switch it up to the language that you prefer. For example, Espanol. So when you switch up to Espanol, it will be changed, the language will be changed, but only on the account that you have selected. For example, I have selected the CY account. So if you want to change it back, over to the language again and go to English and your language will be changed again. So that is how you change the language on Netflix on TV. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.